नाज़रीन गिरामी, विजडम इंटरनेशनल स्कूल ने जिस खूबसूरती के साथ स्पेशल एग्जीबिशन का इनेकाद किया है, उसके अलग अलग वीडियोस हम आपके सामने पेश कर रहे हैं। आप इसका 1, 2, 3 के हिसाब से नज़ारा करते जाएं और तलबा की हिम्मत अफजाई फरमाएं।
Inverted image is formed on retina. Then the signals are passed to our brain. And the brain interprets the image as right side up. Human vision is limited. We can see only with light, only within a certain distance, and only what is front of us. Our eyesight can weaken with age, darkness, or disease. But Allah's vision is unlimited and perfect. He does not need eyes or light to see. He sees everything, what is visible and invisible, inside our bodies, inside our hearts, and even the tiniest details like DNA inside a single cell. Allah sees past, present, and future at the same time. In Surah Al-An'am, Allah says that vision perceives him not, but he perceives all vision. This shows that while human sees through eyes, Allah is Al-Basir, the all-seeing, and the all system of vision exists only by His perfect design. Eye sees by light, DNA works by code, but Allah sees without limits. Every details in creation speaks volumes about the greatness of Allah. May Allah make us all true servant, ever obedient to Him. Ameen.